So ax square plus 2bx minus 3c equal 0 has no real roots. Now, once it is no real roots means the graph will be what? Either completely above or completely below. Now consider this as f of x. So f of x equal to ax square plus 2bx minus 3c. Now identify for what value of x you are going to get the term of 3c by 4 minus a minus b or a plus c
f of 2
minus 3c by 4. You should get this expression.
f of 2.
f of 2.
F of 2. Now if I take f of 2, this will be what? 4a plus 4b minus 3c. Then if I take 4 common, a plus b minus 3c upon 4. But a plus b minus 3c by 4 is given as what?
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
That means f of 2 greater than 0. When f of 2 greater than 0 means for one value if it is greater than 0, the graph has to be what? Completely above. That means this is not possible. Now we need to check for the value of c. What I should calculate?
f of 0.
F of 0 equal to what? Minus 3c, which is also greater than 0. Hence, c must be less than 0. So here alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus cx plus q equal 0 and also of x power 2n plus p power n, x power n plus q power n equal to 0. Now alpha by beta, beta by alpha are the roots of x power n plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole power n equal to 0. Then you have to prove that n is even. So we are writing sum of the roots, product of the roots. And we are substituting alpha and beta in this equation. And from these two equations, we are concluding that alpha power n, beta power n are the roots of x square plus p power nx plus q power n equal to 0. Then you can write the sum of the roots as well as product of the roots. Now you replace x with alpha by beta and then simplify. So this will be get satisfied only when n must be what? Even integer. Check all of you. So here what you have written is sum of the roots, product of the roots. After that you have grouped the first two factors, next two factors, and again you have used the conditions of gamma and delta are the roots of the second quadratic equation, and then you have simplified. So you are taking x to the denominator and then you are going for a substitution of 3x plus 2 by x equal to t. Then the values of t are minus 11 and 2. Then when you back substitute 2 real roots and 2 non-real roots. So the real roots are minus 11 plus or minus root of 97 upon 6. Now, fifth problem. Is there any observation in the fifth problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Observation.
Sir, the whole thing inside mod should be negative.
Correct.
And
It is of which
denominator
form?
is always
Modulus of
positive.
t equal to minus t. That means t must be what? Less
Smaller
than
than 0.
or
Less
equal
than
to 0.
Sir, I got
Are you
it.
getting all of your fifth problem? Modulus of t equal to minus t of the form. So t less than or equal to 0. So factorize the numerator and denominator and apply wavy curve method.
Yes,
So
sir.
x belongs to closed 2 to 3, union closed 6 to open 7.
Sir, I got third.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I also. That's 6 actually.
Next, sixth problem. Modulus of x upon x minus 1 plus mod x equal to x square upon modulus of x minus 1. Now, if you observe the inside x upon x minus 1 plus x, When I simplify, what I'll get this x plus
square
x
by
square minus x upon x minus 1. That means you are getting as x square upon x minus 1. That means now this is in which form is modulus of a plus modulus of b equal to modulus of a plus b.
Yes, sir.
So this entire equation is in this form. Now when modulus of a plus modulus of b equal to a plus b, which implies what you can say about a and b?
greater than
Must be
0.
of the
Greater
same
than
sign.
0.
Must be of same sign. This you
Yes,
can
sir.
derive by squaring on both sides and simplification. That means here AB means what? X square upon x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 implies x belongs to. Now numerator is always positive only. That means denominator must be what? Greater than 0. That means x must be what? Greater than 1. So greater than 1 to infinity. That's all or anything else also?
So
Is it
one
one
should
is
be excluded.
One is excluded.
Sir,
One is
we should
excluded.
include 0.
Then we should
Union
include
Inside
0.
Zero should also
0.
be there.
and you have to include 0 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let us take
So
a
one is
equal
only
to
the real root, other are
x
complex
into
roots.
3 minus x upon x plus 1 and b as x plus 3 minus x upon x plus 1. Then as per the given equation, AB equal to what? 2. Now when I add these two, a plus b, what is a plus b becomes now? 3 minus x upon x plus 1 is common. Then I will get as x plus 1 plus x. Check, we'll get this only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
x plus 1 gets cancelled. 3 minus x plus x. That means 3. So a plus b equal to 3 and ab equal to 2. Then what are the values of a and b? A equal to 1.
Minus
B
1 and
equal to
minus 2.
2. Or a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. Now back substitute it and solve. And check what are the real solutions that you will get. So you will find that only x equal to 1 is the only solution. That is real solution. F of x is a monic polynomial of least degree. So monic polynomial means leading coefficient is 1. That means highest power coefficient must be 1. Such a polynomial is called a monic polynomial. And it is given as what? Least degree and satisfying all these conditions. F of 1 equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 4, f of 3 equal to 3, f of 4 equal to 2 and f of 5 equal to 1. Then how to find the value of f of 0? Check all of you. We are trying to write using this function values. We are designing another polynomial g of x in terms of f of x as g of x equal to f of x plus x minus x. So g of 1 equal to 0, g of 2 is also 0, g of 3 also 0, g of 4 also 0, g of 5 also 0. Now once g of 1, g of 2, g of 3, g of 4, g of 5 are 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the roots. Then I can write g of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 into some constant k. And we want a what? Least degree polynomial. That means we have to consider as what? The minimum number of factors which are satisfying along with some constant. Now again, what is g of x equal to? F of x plus x minus 6. Now from this What is f of x I'll get? F of x equal to k into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, next minus x plus 6. Now, how to get the k value here? Read the question. What is given? Monic polynomial is given.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of monic polynomial? I told you. The highest power coefficient must be 1.
1. Yes, sir.
That means here k must be what? 1.
1.
Because it is a monic polynomial. Now replace k with a 1. Now, what is asked to find now? F of 0. So calculate f of 0. How much you got?
Sir, it will be 1 as 140.
So k into f of k equal to 1. That means using this we can design a polynomial g of x as x f of x minus 1. Then g of 1 equal to g of 2 equal to and so on g of 9 will be 0.
Sir,
That means 1 to 9 are the roots of g of x. That means I can write x into f of x minus 1 equal to some constant t into x minus 1, x minus 2 and so on x minus 9. But in this problem, it is given as a least degree polynomial only, but it is not mentioned anything about the leading coefficient, nor it is not mentioned monic polynomial. That means should not consider t equal to 1 at all. Now, to find the value of t, it is an identity. So you can substitute some value of x. So what value of x if I substitute it, so that I can calculate the t value easily?
Sir,
1.
0.
Put x equal to 0. Then get the t value. So when x is 0, this left side you will get as what? Minus 1. Now in the right side, what you will get? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, minus 9. Tell me what is t value will be now? Nine factorial.
Yes, sir.
Now, then what f of x will become now? Back substitute. So 9 factorial into x minus 1, x minus 2 and so on x minus 9 plus 1 upon x. So this is f of x. Now,
Sir, but it won't be a polynomial.
no, it is a polynomial only after when you simplify. Check, is it correct? T equal to not 1 by 9. I think
Sir,
t
t
equal
equal
to
to 1 by 9
1 by
factorial.
9. Why is
1 by 9 factorial. Correct.
It's not.
That means the denominator will get. Check, is in denominator. T equal to 1 by 9 factorial. That means x minus 1, x minus 2 and so on x minus 9 upon 9 factorial plus 1 whole divided by x.
Sir, answer is 1 by 5.
Correct. Now what is asked to find? F of 10. So substitute x equal to 10. For this value, 1 by 5 will get.
Yes.
What is the method you are trying for the 11th? Root of
Sir,
x
I
square minus 5x
substituted-
plus 6 and so on.
Sir, I substituted the right side radical as y and then got left side radical as 2y.
Okay. Have you got any value of y?
No, sir, I am working on it.
The method is take inside to the power of x as one substitution. Let us take root of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus root of x square minus 5x plus 4 to the power of x. I am taking as L, and root of x square minus 5x plus 6 minus root of x square minus 5x plus 4 to the power of x as m. Now, what the given equation becomes now?
Root L plus root M.
Root L plus root m equal to 2 to the power of x by 4 into what? 2. Now you square the equation and try to simplify and try to get a condition. You simplify and try to get a condition.
After that, we can get the product.
So when you square it, tell me what the left side will get. L
Plus
plus
m.
m plus 2 root of lm equal to, this will be how much? 2 to the power of x by 2 into what? 4. Now, what is 2 root of lm? L
The
plus
bar.
m plus 2 into root of lm means root of the product. So what is this product will be? Inside, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square will be? X square minus 5x plus 6 minus x square plus 5x minus 4 to the power of what? X by 2 equal to 4 into 2 to the power of x by 2. Now x square gets cancelled, 5x also gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 6 minus 4, 2. That means this is again 2 to the power of x by 2. That means what you are getting now is L plus m plus 2 into 2 to the power of x by 2 equal to what? 4 into 2 to the power of x by 2. Is it clear, this part?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I take left side, L plus m, then what will get? Minus 2 into 2 to the power of x by 2 equal to 0. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you rewrite this to any other form now with the observation of the whatever so far you have solved?
Yes, sir. L plus M minus 2 root LM.
That is root L minus root m whole square will be equal to 0. Which implies L equal to m. When L equal to m means these two are equal. Now, under what conditions these two will be equal?
Root of x.
Either the bases must be equal or the exponent must be 0. So exponent must be 0 means what? X equal to 0. Your guessed solution. Exponent must be 0. Or bases must be equal. Bases must be equal means is there anything gets cancelled when I equate the bases? Root of x square minus 5x plus 6 gets cancelled. Then what is left out is x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So what are the values? X equal to 1, 4.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
In
2010.
Observe the coefficients.
oral
1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 1, 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. 1, 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4.
sir.
1, 67, 67 square, 67 cube, 67 power 4. That means using this number, I can create a polynomial equation whose roots are 2, 3, 5 and 67. That means
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted. And 10.
So alpha power 4 minus alpha cube t minus alpha square z minus alpha y minus x equal to 0. If I write where alpha equal to 67, 5, 3, 2. Will you get these 4 equations or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what's the meaning of this? These
Sir,
67, 5, 3, 2 are what?
Roots.
Roots of this biquadratic equation. What I should calculate? X value. That means which relation between the roots I should use?
The product.
Product of the roots.
product
Now,
of
for
the
the
roots.
product of the roots. 67
200
into 5 into
2010.
3 into 2.
2010.
What is the formula? Product of all the roots.
2010.
As per the equation. Is it plus x or minus x?
E by minus of E by A.
Plus x.
So it will be X.
Sure? Plus x or minus
Sir,
x?
plus x.
Plus X.
6.
Sir, minus E by A.
Yes, sir.
Minus.
That means x equal to what? For this value? Minus
2010.
2000.
Sir, plus 2010.
Minus 2010 सही है.
Check, is it minus or plus?
Sir,
Sir,
minus.
it's minus.
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 Sir, it was very easy.